You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this American singer, songwriter and actress, correctly. If you want to learn more music celebrity names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you at the end of this one. Mary, not Mary, of course. Mary J stands for Jane. Blige, you could replace the GE at the end with a J, alright? Makes a bit more sense phonetically, at least for the pronunciation. Blige, alright? Blige, or DJ at the end. Mary J Blige, not Blige, not Blige, not Blige. Mary J Blige. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.